INJ hit a full take profit. This is the trade I shared in my last YouTube video. If you haven't seen that video yet, make sure to see because I also give you guys the Bitcoin update. I give you the two possible scenarios, and right now nothing much happened in the market, so we are still following the plan. So in this video, I'm going to give you a trade recap of this INJ trade with full explanation of why we took this trade. So if you guys like the content like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel because it really gives me a big motivation. So now let's get started. So this is ING on a 30-minute time frame. The first thing I do when I analyze my chart is I go on a higher time frames. I start with the higher time frames. In this case, let's take the daily. So we are in the consolidation zone for about 80 days, which is almost 3 months. So I was waiting for the breakout, right? So that breakout might be here when we had this candle, or right here, but no, it happened in the last 2 days. So right now I'm going to explain why did that happen. So let's take a look. After we made this high, we had a pullback, another high, we made an SFP right here, so we broke the high, closed the candle below, started the correction, little ranging here, then we did another leg up. We did what? We broke the high, and none of these three candles closed above the high, which makes an SFP. After that, we had another pullback to the downside, and I also mentioned, forgot, when we had this pullbacks, we liquidated some areas. In this case, we liquidate this low. In this case, we liquidate this low. So every time when we go up to this level of resistance, we reject by an SFP, right? So let's take a look when we had a touch on this candle. So we came up, touched the resistance, we had exact touch, almost perfect, had a rejection and coming down. But what's the difference in this time? We didn't broke the high, we didn't form an SFP. So this gives me an idea that there are some possibilities that after a pullback we will go for this high and break it. So that was my logic on a daily time frame. Then I go to a 4-hour time frame and I see what? After this strong pullback to the upside, we rejected from the resistance, came down to this support area, which is two of these candles. The first touch right here. Okay, nothing interesting. We had those two candles, but the next 4H close would tell you that that was the fake move. So came down, made a touch the support again, and what we did right now is just we took the liquidity. We did two things. The first, we took the liquidity of this low. Second, we formed an SFP. So on a 4-hour time frame, I know two things. The first one, I think that this high will be broken. The second, we just tapped into a support and I should look for a lower time frame confirmations. What I do next, I go to an hourly time frame. And here comes the interesting part. So you can see we came down, broke this low on this candle, little pullback. We made this high, came down, made this low, and then we had this change of character to the upside. Actually, it will be better if I show you guys on a 30-minute time frame. Here we had the low, high, another low. We made a charge right here, and also we had an SFP. So you can see that we have many confirmations that market is switching bullish. We have multiple SFPs and we have a charge to the upside. So after we broke this high, this candle, the high of these candles become our support. And if you go to a 15-minute time frame, we also have this candle as a support. You can see, so I mark those two areas, and that this was the exactly time when I recorded a YouTube video, when I uploaded that video. So hope you guys, the time was enough to enter. Actually, after that movement we had another touch to our entry, so hope you guys get in. So came down, touched the entry, pushed to the upside. So Also to tell you about the trade, why we had a target at $50. There is not any Fibonacci levels, any historical level, nothing. But the levels like this, for example, 50, 100, 1000, 70k, so that kind of levels which have many zeros in are psychological levels. In this case, the $50 area is was very big resistance for ING. You can see we tapped into a take profit. Look at this pullback after a $50 mark. It was around 8%, which is not bad, and after that we took off that. But the matter is that we do had a rejection from that level, so the only reason why I had the $50 as my take profit target was that it was psychological level. So we took the first take profit at here. I took because I was at my Muay Thai training at the time, so I couldn't mm, upload in my Discord server. So in my personal account, I took off the partial because I had a limit order, but I forgot to update the people. So we just had a straight take profit, not didn't took any partials. So we made 230% on 10x leverage, which is very good. So hope you guys took the trade. I don't know if you guys content like this again, please like and subscribe for more motivation. Also, if you want me to be your personal mentor, DM me on any social media, Twitter, mail, Discord. I'm gonna answer and send you the syllabus of the course. And also, many people ask me like where I should trade. There are so many platforms, for example Binance, but on Binance there are very high fees, so I prefer the two platforms. Those are Mexi and Bluffin. Their referral links will be in the description. You will get some bonuses and less fees if you register with my referral link. So if you guys like the video, again, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.